Hello children, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is Inside Our Earth. Children, in the last video, we already completed some topics, okay? And as we know that Earth interior is divided into three groups, that is crust, mantle and core. Children, about crust and mantle, we already studied in the last class. Can you tell me about crust and mantle? Children, as we know that crust is the uppermost layer of the earth, okay? Crust is the uppermost layer of the earth, and crust is further classified into two groups, that is oceanic crust and the continental crust, okay? Oceanic crust, continental crust and oceanic crust. Children, oceanic crust, all the water part come under the oceanic crust and the land part come under the continental crust. And children, oceanic crust is 5 km thick, whereas continental crust is 35 km thick. That means continental crust is more thicker as compared to oceanic crust. And after 35 km, okay, we will reach in the mantle. Okay children, and continental crust is made up of silica and alumina, whereas oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium. Okay, that is about the crust. And then come to the mantle. Children, mantle is lie beneath the crust, and mantle further classified into two groups, that is upper mantle and the lower mantle. And the average radius of mantle is about 2900 km. Okay, average radius of mantle is about 2900 km, and upper mantle is found in the liquid form and the lower mantle is found in the solid form. And children, mantle is made up of iron. Okay, mantle is made up of iron and magnesium, that is heavier material. Okay, mantle is made up of heavier material, iron and magnesium. And children, magma is found in the mantle, and most of the volcanic eruption takes place from the upper mantle. Okay, and children, then next is the core. Okay children, core is also further classified into upper core and the lower core. We can also say inner core and the outer core. And children, the average radius, okay, the average radius of the core is 3500 km, and the density of the core is 5.0 gram per cubic centimeter to 13.0 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, you can see here 5.0 gram to 13.0 gram per cubic centimeter. It is the density of core. Okay, and children, core is made up of very heavier material, that is nickel and the iron. Okay, it is made up of nickel and iron. And children, the temperature, it is believed that the temperature of core is 5000 degree Celsius. Okay, because we know that when we go from the beneath the earth surface, okay, temperature will rise every 32 meter. Okay, every 32 meter temperature will rise 1 degree Celsius. That means in the core it will reach 5000 degrees Celsius and more than. Okay children, then come to the next topic, that is rock and minerals. Children, we are talking about the earth. Okay, so that's why children, rock and minerals are also very important. And children, you know that earth is mainly made up of three types of rocks, that is igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary. Okay, whole earth is made up of only three types of rocks, that is igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary. Okay, and children, sometimes rock are very hard and sometimes it is very soft. And marble is the finest example of the hard rock, and talcum powder which we are using to apply on the face, it is the example of soft rock. And some rocks are found in the loose form, that is salt and sand. Okay children, and minerals are found in the rock. Okay, minerals are found in the rock. Then what is minerals? Children, minerals are the naturally occurring substance present in the rock. Children, minerals are naturally occurring substance which is found on the rock, and it has definite chemical composition. It has their own color, texture. Okay. And children, when a rich in which a particular minerals is found in a layer in a large percentage is called the ore of that mineral. Children, when the large percentage of any minerals, any particular minerals are found in the rock, that is known as ore. Okay, and ore are very important for the mining activity. Thank you.